Sorry, I got my laptop went out of charge, so I got locked up for a minute. I wanted to show you the work by some of the students for their research proposal. Let me just open it and I'll share the screen with you. So last year, what I had done was I had given them an assignment to write a literature review based on some articles. Okay? So this is Farid's assignment, and his topic was existentialism in Samuel Beckett. I'll zoom in so you can read it. Okay. So existentialism and waiting for Godot, and his topic, his research question was, what are the perspectives of different students of literature about existentialism as an ironical attack on religion? Okay. And here's his literature review. Please go through it, see what he has written. Let me know when you're done reading. I'm moving it a little down so that you can finish. And see how he has made the connection to his own topic and how he has tried and identified the research gap. Let me know when you're done reading. I'll leave 1 more minute and then I'll share another one from a thesis. Okay, that's great. A lot of people are done. So now I'm going to show you a thesis. This one was enough for a research proposal. This is another one by Cheyenne. It's from 2 years back. And yes, exactly. Nimra says that by mentioning others' topic of research, he has highlighted the main idea of his research question. Okay, so he has tried and make a connection between what other people have said and what he is researching. Let me share this one, right? So this is by Cheyenne, a psychoanalytical view of Atticus Finch in To Kill a Mockingbird. This was his topic, and he has done his research on the perspective of psychoanalysis. I'll show you his table of contents. This is his literature review. So he has divided it into 5 main sections. Please go through the headings. Okay. So the first section is introduction, then he's got psychoanalysis, In To Kill a Mockingbird, law and society, and then we've got symbolism and racism, and we've got the conclusion. If we go to the first section on page 10, so in the introduction, what we do is we signpost. So we guide the reader to what is going to come next and what the researcher has done. Read the introductory paragraph, please. Are we done reading? Okay. Now let's go to the second bit, psychoanalysis in To Kill a Mockingbird. So in the first paragraph, he gives the introduction to that section, and then he moves on to the articles. Please go through it. No, I can't share the PDF of these literature reviews with you. These are students' works, so it's not ethical to do that. I just want you to get some idea. The rest of it, you're going to do yourself. Okay. It's not, it's considered close to plagiarism if you look at somebody else's work and then do your work. So it's not okay. All right. Let me know when you're done reading. Okay. Doesn't matter if you haven't finished it. We're now going to move back to the slides. So this is actually to give you some idea of what other people have done, okay, and how exactly you're supposed to write a literature review. When it is for your proposal, it's going to be shorter, but you're still going to connect it with your research questions. You're still going to try and connect it with your topic, okay? And that's very important that you actually manage to make a connection between the studies that you have studied and the study that you are going to conduct. Okay, so we have to ensure that there is a connection between your work and the work that has been done by other people. So you need to make that connection even when you are doing it for your proposal, even when you're doing it for your thesis. Okay. For your proposal, it's going to be short, so fewer studies is okay. For the full chapter, obviously, you will need to study a bit more. However, this is just the beginning of your research. There's a lot more work to be done. Okay. We're going to try and continue working on our literature reviews in the next class. I'm going to show you some more examples. We are going to practice and you're going to look at an example. So I want you to do 2 things for next week. And this time everyone has to do it. It's not optional, okay? Everyone has to do it and you have to show me the notes. So what you have to do is you have to read this article. It's literature review. Okay, you have to focus on literature review and methodology. We have looked at this article before for its research questions. Now I want you to look at it for its literature review and methodology. It's available on Google Scholar. Old Poems Have Heart, Teenage Students Reading Early Modern Poetry. We have looked at this before in class. I want you to take a look at it. It's literature review and methodology. You should have a copy with you. Well, I'll show it to you, but it's good if you have it with you. We are going to discuss it. There's going to be a group discussion. So if you've not read it, it won't be useful. Please do read it. Read the literature review and the methodology. Also, search for 2 articles. If you've already searched for one, then another one. and try and write a literature review related to your research questions. And you're going to email this to me. Okay, email this to me by Tuesday morning. Okay, all right, email this to me by Tuesday morning, and you have to connect it with your research questions. Find 2 articles, make some connections, write a small paragraph about of your literature. All right, are the instructions clear? Not about bad and good research questions, about your literature review now. Moved on from that. I've already sent you the feedback on research questions, Imran, haven't I? How is that possible? There was a whole page that I sent you the feedback of. Parvisha, when did you send it? I think I've given the response to everybody. Well, if you sent it last night, then I sleep at night. Okay. You cannot expect me to wake up in the middle of the night and answer your research questions, can you? Supposed to send it in the morning, wait for a few days, and then you get your response. People have other things to do in their life, don't you think?